The day we started offering iGUIDE, we instantly had more clients and more revenue. It was incredible to have this sudden growth just because we were offering this new option. My name is Kyle Christie. I'm the founder and creative director of See Your House Now, a real estate marketing agency. iGUIDE really is a game changer, more so than I even expected. Aside from what iGUIDE does, what really appeals to me as a business owner is the cost. There is no subscription fee. There is no guesswork about how much you should charge your clients. You do the iGUIDE, you pass that cost on to your clients, and you're done. During those slower periods, you aren't locked into a monthly fee, which is really nice. As soon as I tell realtors they don't have to measure rooms anymore, they are sold. We've actually been in a property where the realtor had not even been in the house before. With iGUIDE, we're giving them floor plans and a look at every inch of the home. This particular seller wanted very little traffic, so we took care of all the marketing and they took care of the selling. To be honest, I was worried about how long it would take to train everyone on the team, but one run through and they were good to go. It's quicker than taking photos and video, and you can really get in and capture those smaller spaces, which is a huge bonus. And being listed as an operator on the iGUIDE website, that has brought us a lot of business. People are calling for the iGUIDE and we are able to offer our other services as well. So yeah, game changer, absolutely. This just took our business right to the next level.